Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds. I just completed on another piece of land. I'm a property developer. The plan here is to build an apartment block. So there's going to be 5 apartments, 2 bedrooms, en suites. It's going to be amazing. I'm going to document everything, and I'm really excited. And Tony, good to see you.
Hey.
This is Tony. Tony's my business coach, great businessman. You've generated over 100 million in business, and now wanting to invest in me. Why are you wanting to invest in this project?
I've never done a land development deal in my life.
Yeah.
I'm super excited to be part of it. I want to learn from the master. And,
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
It's going to cost us about £210,000 to buy it. Yes, Nick. What's happening? See, everybody's beeping and congratulating us. You know. What's that? Hey.
Oh, congratulations! You bought the land.
Oh yeah, we bought it.
Nice one.
Cheers, bro.
Yeah, man. I did your course on the DFE.
Oh, you did the DFA?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's awesome. Like
Yeah.
everyone's driving past, stopping me saying, Samuel, did you just buy that land? I'm one of your students. All my students around here for some reason missed it. They missed it.
How can you miss it?
I don't know how you can miss it. I don't know. Have we met
No, we
before?
haven't. No,
Oh,
no.
wonderful.
I can't believe I saw you standing outside this.
Yeah.
And I live down the road. And you
Really?
were saying, I bet you no one recognises it. And I'm sitting there thinking, why didn't I see it?
Why didn't I see it? I did a video here. I released it about 2 weeks ago, and I was like, "Hey, what's up? I've just," but that filming took place 6 weeks ago. I sat on the footage until the day I completed, and then I put it out. And I'm so glad I did, because within 5 minutes, everyone was putting the postcode in the comments. I was like, I'm glad I waited, you know.
Incredible spot. I live just round the corner here, and it's absolutely fantastic to come here and see what Samuel's managed to do and give us an example of what's possible to boost the economy in this area.
Loads of Northerners are complaining that Samuel's coming up north, he's taking all the houses. I live 10 minutes away from this spot right now. Many Northerners are complaining that Samuel's coming and he's taking all the houses. Samuel is not taking the houses, he's building the houses around here.
Yes!
He's putting the economy up.
I went to your crash course.
Oh, sick.
And I went to your other one in, where was it again? Near Doncaster somewhere.
Cool.
Can you buy this?
Yeah, we just bought it.
Have you just bought it?
Yeah.
I watched the video.
Oh, did you? I did. I put the video out after I bought it.
I knew where it was already. I was telling my dad to snap it up.
Yeah.
Telling my dad to snap it up. Oh, yeah,
Cool, man. It's amazing how many people around Leeds have done my training. Literally new. People are driving past,
Everyone's just
doing the window down, and going, Samuel Leeds. Crazy. So apartment 1, apartment 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5. Nice big one at the top.
Yeah, so we're going to have loft apartment.
Question is, do you reckon we'll get planning accepted for that?
Yeah, hopefully you'll get planning, but it's going to go in the next few weeks, and that's what we'll see.
If we get our planning accepted, it's going to push the value of the land right up. The profit is in the planning, and to get planning, you need good planning consultants like David.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, and you need to find sites, but Samuel sound.
Yeah,
A good site makes a difference.
Well, David's drawn up the plans. David, you say this is the first draft. It looks kind of good.
Yeah.
I'm wondering why there needs to be a second draft. Like, what's the plan?
It's just to fine tweak some of the bedrooms, some of the en-suites. I mean, again, it was the first draft, so you could see the layouts.
Yeah, I like it.
If you like the layouts, we'll develop it even further.
Apartment 1, apartment 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
En suites in the rooms.
Yeah.
I hope we get. If we don't get planning for this, what do we do?
Well, you're fortunate with this particular site.
Infill.
It's an infill site, so
Yeah.
you
What
should-
does infill mean?
Infill means where there's a plot of land in between other residential units. Then there's you got
Right, so it's fitting, right, with the area. It's in
Yeah.
keeping. But if they say no to flats, we could maybe build a couple houses.
Yes, definitely. They can't refuse the houses because, again, that's in keeping with the area.
So we'd get 2 houses on that land?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah.
Which would still make profit.
Yeah.
Because the houses would be worth about 300, 350
Yeah, in that area.
easily.
Yeah,
It cost a
right.
lot less than that to build it. So either way, we're going to make money. Really important to have a good power team. Right now, we're in a building construction warehouse with great building team. David's a planning consultant. Great joint venture partner, my man Tony. You got to be around good people. I think that's the most important thing I could say. David's part of the academy. Yeah. Tony's part of the academy. Everyone's part of the academy. It looks.
So me and him, we only met yesterday.
Yeah.
We're now going to go into business together. We're going to work around the Leeds area together.
Oh, wow.
Yep, really amazing. He's a great guy to learn from.
Good.
Instantly, the people, the energy just pulling me up.
Oh, that's so good.
So that's good.
What do you think of my apartments?
unbelievable. I'm going to buy one.
You're going to buy one?
Yeah, I'm gonna
You want
buy
to live in one of them?
Yeah.
I'll hold you to it.
Yeah.
I'll give you a discount.
What would you say? It's going to be done by June?
Give me 12 months.
12 months?
Yeah, give me 12 months.
be
June
there.
next year.
It's got to have the gym though.
Yeah. Oh goodness. Most property developers that are doing projects, they won't let people walking past. They'll be like, "Oh, come on into the meeting. Talk to my planning consultant." Like, not only am I making a lot of money in development, but the thing is, I'm opening it up and I'm letting other people get involved so that they can do the same thing too. And that's the best thing. So if you want to get involved, subscribe to the channel. You can do that below, but also if you see me in the street, you see me building houses, you see me out doing stuff, come and say hello, I'll get you involved. You want to come and spend a day with me at the Property Investors Crash Course? It's free on the house. Get booked on. I'll see you there where you're going to learn everything I know about property condensed into 12 hours and it's free. Get booked on. I'll see you there. Thanks so much. See you next time.